Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the kitchen to whip up something truly delightful. Golden garlic chicken wings with salted duck egg sauce. Let's jump right into the action. First up, we'll give our chicken wings a good wash and a nice chop, splitting them into halves. Now, let's infuse them with flavor. Toss those wings with minced garlic, soy sauce, a splash of cooking wine, a dash of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Let that magic mingle for a minimum of 15 minutes. While that's marinating, let's tackle the salted duck egg. Peel it with care and give it a good crushing. Time to sizzle. Heat up the pan and in go our wings, cooking until they gleam with a golden charm on both sides. Once they are golden perfection, set them aside. Now, let's amp up the richness. Fry that crushed salted duck egg until it's wonderfully foamy. Reintroduce those glorious wings to the pan, giving them a good stir until they're completely coated in that luscious salted duck egg goodness. And there you have it, golden garlic chicken wings with salted duck egg sauce, ready to steal the show. Give this recipe a whirl and drop me a comment on how it turns out. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and catch you in the next one.